Welcome to Seesaw's Teacher Essentials for Success, Capturing Learning and Building Community, the Teacher Perspective tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to capture everyday classroom moments and learning using the green Add button, share exemplar student work or resources to support student learning, post discussion questions that support different learning styles and build community. Let's jump in and get started. Once logged into your teacher account, the green Add button is visible on the top right of your screen. Clicking the green Add button will give you access to posting to the class journal or individual student journals using Seesaw's suite of tools. Seesaw's tools make capturing learning, classroom moments, and daily activities simple. Teachers can take a photo or video of whole group learning happening in the classroom, and by posting it to the class journal, not only is it documented for the students to refer back to, but it also keeps all connected family members in the learning loop. Teachers can also post individual student learning to the journal so that it's visible to that student and connected family members. This is an easy way to share student growth and celebrations with families. Connected family members can see what is captured in the student journal and engage with the post by liking and commenting, creating a supportive, nurturing environment for students. Another way teachers can use the green Add button is by posting instructional videos, learning resources such as anchor charts, exemplar student work, or other resources to the class journal they want students to have access to. For example, if you're working on arrays in math, you could post an instructional video to support students during independent practice or to support families at home. When items are posted to the class journal, students are able to easily access this resource as well as connected family members, which makes supporting learning at home that much easier. Teachers can choose who receives access to shared items. Sometimes you may want to post to the class journal, and sometimes you may want to post to a single group or even a single student's journal. You can make this distinction during the saving process. To learn more about creating groups in Seesaw, watch our Creating Student Groups tutorial. Teachers can also use the green Add button to post discussion questions to the class journal that invite student responses. Posting a character building or content-specific question in the Seesaw journal and tagging your entire class allows students to use both written and audio comments to share their ideas. This not only opens up an opportunity for discussion among students, but it also provides a safe environment for students who are less likely to speak up and contribute to a live discussion during class. Student comments must be approved by the teacher before they appear in the class journal for other students to see. If you want students to be able to comment on a post you have made, you will need to make sure that setting is enabled in your Seesaw class. Enable comments for all posts in Seesaw, click the settings icon, and then select Student Likes and Comments. Be sure Student Comments is toggled to the on position. That brings us to the end of the Teacher Essentials for Success, Capturing Learning and Building Community, the Teacher Perspective tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit the Help Center for additional support.